Video, I'm going to go over this articulating endoscope. What this is a small kind of remote camera that's on a wire here, and it gives you a screen here so you can kind of do like an inspection or kind of like show what the problem is to somebody, whether you're working on a vehicle or actually aircraft, automotive, home, or mechanics. You could use this for plumbing or air conditioning ducts or anything like that. And this one has a 4.3-inch screen right there on it. So you get this case with it here. I love the fact that they give you this nice solid case. So you see how it is right here. I've already had this thing out and used it, and I think this right here is around about 5 foot on as far as the actual cable right there. You get a little microfiber cloth for cleaning. Pretty much useless, don't need that. Here's the manual. The manual's pretty simple. There's not much to this thing. You can kind of articulate it. I'll show it all working here in a minute and show you the different types of setup that I do on my engine here. And then you get a USB-C cable right there, and you're going to charge it right here. It goes where the USB-C charging, and it comes with an installed 32 gigabyte SD card installed right there. That pops in right there, so it's kind of a little bit of a waterproof casing on it right here. You guys can see how that works right there. You got a picture, and then you also have the light. You got the on and off. Actually, let me take it over to my van. Let's look down inside the engine and let's see what all's going down in there. We'll take the cover off. It has a light, so that way we can actually see what's going on and we can move it around. So let's go ahead and let's put this thing to the test now. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. You got a power button right there. It comes on and you see there's everything that it sees. Now check this out. You guys see how you can go left, right. That is really cool how you can operate that right there. I like that feature. If you want to do the light on or off. So if you want to do a record on this thing, hold this button down for a few seconds. 1, 2. Now you see right here, right there, it is recording. If I want to stop the recording, I hit the button again. If I want to take a quick picture, watch this. You just do. It just took a picture. All you do is tap it and you take the picture on that. And you have a zoom feature right here. Right there's the zoom, and that's to like a camera flip. And this right here, we can go through the menus real quick. You got photo, video, resolution, and it looks like I've got it all the way up to 1080p, but you can, I didn't mean to exit out. Let's go down. Resolution, you can go from 480, 720, 1080p back. You got language settings, screen brightness, picture zoom, and help format, reset system storage space. You can see I got 29 gigs left, and version on it. Videos, you can go into the videos and watch your videos. You see how I just recorded the video? There's no sound on this thing, but it is recording. See, that's my recording from a while ago. Actually, let's just go ahead and stop it, put it back on the normal camera setting. Now let's go ahead and put this thing to the test, like a solenoid or something that I need to get a number off of. Now I could disassemble the whole engine and check it out, or I could get this endoscope and run it down in here like this. Let's see how well I can hold it. But what I like is the fact I can articulate this one. So let's say I had a cracked block and I was running the engine and I wanted to see the block where it might have a crack in it. That would come in handy too. Let's go all the way down. I'm almost all the way down to the ground. See how I can turn it, say that connector was unplugged or I had a problem with it. I could figure out what's going on right now, and I can record onto this thing. So if there was like a customer, especially if you're like a mechanic or an electrician or something like that, and you're trying to find the problem, you could record on this and show your customer exactly what the problem is before you go any further. So it give me a good idea of what's going on. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's doing any type of inspection, whether it's on a motor or maybe on a airplane or some sort of like plumbing work or electrician work. This is the way to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know what, the remote endoscope. See y'all in the next video.